Serigraph has been in business printing for over 70 years, and we service the automotive, appliance, medical and power sports industries, as well as the point of purchase industry.
The products that we offer our customers to support the quick service restaurant business, the convenience stores, the retail markets are everything from window graphics, floor graphics, ceiling danglers, shelf displays, outdoor yard signs, feather flags, backlit menu boards, and then we have now expanded into the trade show market. We also have expanded into the architectural design market, and some of that involves printing on materials that get converted into upholstery, drapery, window shades. Our company is a full-service company. We have everything from in-house pre-press to innovation and design, white sampling, research, R&D, and then we have all of the finishing that we need to go along with that.
About 10 years ago, we launched into digital print. And about a year ago, in 2022, we installed the SwissQ Print Nala 4. And the idea would be that we transition as many offset jobs to that technology as possible.
In choosing the Nala 4, we wanted to make sure that this press could hit some of the different features that we need. The high quality print, being able to hit the color gamut, being able to match brand colors for our customers. Also, another reason that we chose this press with the UV inks, the UV inks adhere to many of the substrates that we print on. In addition, the LED is a cooler curing process than traditional UV, and we print a lot of two-sided material. And when we print two-sided, if we had the high temperature curing, the material does not work well for us. The roll-to-roll capability of this press is a very quick setup. So we can go from running a sheet to a roll, but then we can break back into running sheets very quickly by taking the roll out. So for us, the versatility of the press is just as key as the print quality. Some additional features that we appreciate off the Nala 4 is the pin registration system. We run a lot of work offset, and we combine our offset print with our digital print for smaller quantities. And we run a BOPS die cutter, and the feature of the pin registration is we don't have to reset up. We can match the same registration of the offset through the BOPS. We also got the feature of the tandem printing. And the tandem printing really speeds up our production because we can set up sheets on one end of the bed while we're printing on the other end of the bed and then remove those sheets. When we chose SwissQ, the Nala 4, one of the things that we wanted to make sure is that we had support all around. Our customers have some lofty demands. They expect us to come up with new ideas, new technologies, new techniques. And we've been able to work with the folks at SwissQ with different substrates, different print techniques. If there is an issue, they usually have the answer for it. They're a phone call away, they're a quick trip away, and fortunately we have not needed them to have to come in and service the press. The future of our company is more digital and more digital all the way down the road. So SwissQ will always have a future for us for other considerations of different type of press technology that we will need.